These are my Skechers, and I thought I'd do a little show and show you what they look like and talk about my experience with Skechers. I've been wearing them now probably for about 8 years. I, due to all sorts of issues, have fallen arches, so I need support on the bottom of my feet because my feet are quite flat. And if I don't wear support like these kind of shoes, I find my legs feel heavy and I start getting pains in my calf and my knees. And then I go, oh, it's time to get some new Skechers. So put the box aside. Now they come in tons of colours and styles and all those things, and essentially it's up to you what style you like really. I like these sort of more sort of sporty looking ones. I went for the white this time. I've never had that before. Now white has always put me off because obviously scuffed and things, but these are fully machine washable, which is good. So if you've never tried Skechers before, they are a super really well cushioned. Like my finger just goes right in. It probably goes in about that much. They're so supportive but squishy at the same time. So they really not only mold to the bottom of your feet but also support at the same time. I don't know how they do it. And they do a range of them. They do really good ones of just pure slip-ons where you haven't got to touch them. You put my foot straight into them. One of my favourite types. But I went for this type this time. This is just your regular ones. And they also do them in extra wide and wide as well, some of the range. So definitely look out for ones that are going to fit your feet. So these ones here, these are really lightweight. Looking on the outside, let's start with the outside first. They typically have this, but every style is slightly different, but they typically have this elasticated area, one to keep you feel nice and snug. And I also think it looks nice because I think without it, sneakers and trainers would look odd. So I think it's just a nice touch, but it does have that benefit of keeping you nicely tucked in. I think it's got quite a nice space in there to get your foot in there as well. And also it has a nice padded back lip. So if you are concerned about that, maybe you do something quite physical, you want to protect the backs of your ankles, they are nice and thick there. They have a slight tip at the front there, so they're perfect for walking. Generally, these are worn particularly like nurses, people on their feet all day long, and the reason why is they're just so unbelievably comfortable. The sole as well is really nice. The base there, it's got a really nice tread on it. I've run jiggled around the park wearing these before. I feel like I've got enough bounce in there so to protect my knees and my body, but also enough grip on the wet ground because it was actually during winter. So I just feel that it's got a nice grip, nice bounce, really good support. They're not too thick so your feet get really hot. And they've got a really good amount of give so that they move your body but also protect your feet at the same time. I've tried dupes of these before, not been satisfied at all. They don't last as long and I don't feel they give me the right support. So I just keep coming back to Skechers. These are the only ones that I really want. Like I say, tons of colours, tons of style, but the basic principle is the same. Really nice and supportive, super comfortable, breathable, last a good amount of time. Realistically, wearing these daily, which I have done, I've worn them for work. I've wore black ones for work, wearing them 5 days a week. By the time that I feel like I need a new pair, it's about 7 or 8 months, which I think is really good for a pair of shoes you're wearing every single day, which gives me the support that I need before I feel like I need to change them. So yeah, I think they're really stylish, really comfortable, lightweight, breathable, and really nice. So if you are looking to get a pair of comfortable shoes, I recommend giving Skechers a good go. I'll link the store below for you if you want to check out the Skechers store to find a pair that you like.